To transfer music from your phone to Redmi Watch 6, what you need to do is you need to go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone or Mi Fitness app. Select device and of course make sure that Redmi Watch 6 is selected. Now over here we should be able to go to apps, and then here we have the music options. We're gonna go here, then go for manage music, and then we're gonna tap on this icon over here that we have at the top with the plus. Of course, we need to grant all necessary permissions to be able to actually see the music that you have on your phone and to be able to transfer everything. So in this case, I need to go to music and audio over here, and I need to allow the app to use that permission. Now let's see if we can actually find it. There we go. So I have my sound, my audio that I wish to transfer to my watch. I just have to select it on this list, and then we're going to tap on this check. The selected music will be added to your device. You can continue using other apps while this process completes. So there we go. Here we have the progress. And once it is selected, we should be able to find that song or that music on our watch. There is also this information that imported one song successfully. So we can just close this. Now we're going to go to the apps list. So press the crown. Then we can scroll down to find the music app. And let's see. There is also the music source, which we can switch to watch, for example, if necessary, but you should be able to find the music on your watch. After switching to watch, I should be able to play my transferred music quite easily. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.